right, dude, whatever. It just has to sit there. That's so annoying. I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna leave it. Donating $1 and then $1,000 if they are thankful. That is sassy and very on par for me.
Streamers are some of the most thankless people on the internet.
For $3, what do you think I was just gonna break down in tears that you gave me $3?
Yo, Chad, donate. I need to get DoorDash.
At least £5 a minute. That's just selfish, man. You're not thinking about me, bro.
When you get hundreds of donations every single day, you become desensitized. But I started wondering, if someone who has practically zero money goes out of their way to support you, would you appreciate it? So today, I'm set.
I feel like a lot of the ones that I watch are appreciative of literally every one. But there are some people who never even read like subs or anything like that.
Sending $1 donations to everybody from the largest creators down to streamers with 0 viewers. And if they show real appreciation, we're coming back with a $1,000 donation.
Who is this?
Dude, I bet you like more than half will not be appreciative. I think a lot of, like he said, they're very selfish.
What the hell?
Let's go bless some streamers. And we're not just doing this on one platform either. We're doing this on Twitch, Kick, and TikTok to see which platform has the most thankful streamers, starting with Twitch. All right, so I'm going into just chatting. Okay.
I would think it would be Twitch. I really do. It depends what account you're going to, but I think it would be Twitch. Would be the nicest.
Here's someone that I actually do recognize, Lacey. And right now, it looks like he has like 10,000 viewers right now. The setup looks absolutely insane. The room that he's streaming in is like the size of an actual house. But let's hop in. Hey, dude. This chat is going so crazy. Like, he's not gonna see this at all. Nothing. Here I go. I'm gonna gift him a sub, see if he cares at all. Boom. Just gifted a sub.
So I'm good. I can pull up.
100%.
Yes!
Bam. Okay. Exactly what I thought. Absolutely nothing. Just.
Yo, that's kind of cold, man. $6. You just spent $6 and you ain't gotta say his name or nothing, bro.
What's happened? What the heck is going on there? All right, let's try somebody a little.
I wonder how overwhelming it is though. Like, is it genuinely like impossible for them to perceive that many, or are they just lazy? Like, is it desensitized, or is it just there's that many?
Bit smaller, see if we get some sort of reaction. First, I tried to do this Norwegian girl.
Kind of stupid.
Which she responded to my message, but didn't acknowledge the $1 tip.
Hi, happy Friday. Hey, Steven.
Nice. I love your knowledge of history. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna assume that that's not going through. Okay. Then we tried to tip.
Well, yo, with 26 people.
Okay, I'm gonna assume that that's not going through. Okay. Then we.
Yo, that's actually kind of wild. With 26 people, you didn't read his chat at all?
Tried to tip K Wonderland $1,000 twice, but her donation button was broken. All right, here we go. Let's drop the big boy. We go through. All right, here we go. All right, let's go to one where we can do PayPal, I guess. But finally, we ended up finding the perfect person.
Wait, what? So it just didn't work and she didn't get the band? Bro, $1,000 didn't, like, Twitch messed you up for $1,000? Like, bro. Yo, what is that chat? No. What is that chat, bro? No.
Tough to do a stream. Girl's name is Dova.
Hello and welcome. My name is Dova Keeney and it is so fantastic to meet you. We talk a lot about mental health as well. The reason I started streaming is because I went through a super low time during—
Bro, just like the last video, bro. Obviously, she seems like caring the most about what she's presenting and doing.
in my life, and then came out the other side and did this community, and it was incredible, and I didn't know places like this could exist.
One thing that sticks out to me in particular, number one, she only has 32 viewers in here, but number two, when you look at her donate button, it says tap the button to donate. Never expected, but will cause Dova to explode in gratitude. And that's what I'm talking about right there. So I think we just have to rip the band-aid, drop a $1 dono, see what happens. Hi, Dova.
Hey, Steven Shapiro. Why do we recognize that name?
Uh-oh.
Welcome.
It's just the most popular, like one of the most popular last names ever, right? I think it's super common.
On in.
Uh-oh.
It is great to have you.
It's different spelling.
Yeah. Come and get cozy. How are you today?
First thing she does is say, Steven Shapiro. Why does that seem like such a recognizable name? Where do I know that from? You're about to know it. Let's give her £1 British pound. Thanks for saying hey to me.
I might need to Google it in a minute. It's getting too much.
Oh no. Oh God. She said she's gonna Google my username.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Steven Shapiro has just donated £1.
Oh, that's at least like a thank you. Like, she's being really nice about it. At least the thank you. The other ones didn't even do that.
Thanks
for saying hey to me.
That is a pleasure. Thank you for donating £1. That was super generous of you. You didn't need to do that. Welcome.
Look at that. She said that I didn't have to do that. That's amazing.
God, why do I recognize that username though?
She literally can't let it go. She's like, why do I recognize it?
Or should I Google it? No, that's too far.
She keeps saying, tell me the story behind your username. It's just my name, dude.
Bro, I feel like if you Googled someone's name, you would just pull someone else up that's famous. So that wouldn't work.
I don't know what to say. No need to Google my name. Just keep being thankful. There we go.
Yo, they took that 25% cut right off the top.
Being thankful. There we go.
To 750. Oh, is that just the conversion? I'm stupid.
I think she's gonna understand where I'm from now. The literal shock.
I'm in shock.
That's so weird. I say literal shock and then she immediately goes, I'm in shock.
I genuinely don't know what to say. I have nothing to say. Who is this guy? What the hell?
Well, that's really nice. I mean, I think that's pretty much the essence of the entire video. I mean, we're only 4 minutes in, but I actually don't think it's, well, I don't know. Should we finish watching it?
Oh my god, I literally don't know what to do with like that. Thank you so freaking much for donating that. That was unbelievably kind. And I'm gonna be so real when I say this. That's more than I've made in the last like 3 months because my job is not going great because it's being taken in by AI currently, which is not ideal.
No way.
I'm in shock and I feel like I can't even express how grateful I am for that just happening. This is the
that's so nice. And then in the last video, the guy was like, oh, well, why would you leave your like, you know, steady job to even try to make content, you know? And it was just, I was just like, I don't know, man. Like, you think all jobs are just steady? All jobs are just paying you enough? Like, absolutely not. That's just not how it goes.
First stream that we've done since January as well. Like,
wow, and the first stream that she's done since January, that's crazy. That's literally like right place, right time, meant to be the one to get this donation.
I'm not crying, you're crying. I started streaming because I was in a really, really low place. And after I came out of the dark place I was in, I wanted to let as many people know that they were loved as possible. And that's what we do here. So the entire vibe is about mental health awareness and helping each other and being kind to each other. So
that's super nice, dude. I feel like this one is just like gonna be the only one that is thankful.
That's the biggest donation that we've ever had. Thank you so freaking much for doing that, even though you didn't really know us that well.
I'm happy we found somebody super thankful. Now let's move over to TikTok. I did find this guy. I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe he is Turkish.
Bu bazı emoji atan arkadaşlar.
But we know that. We can tell.
Bro has 4,300 current viewers. Jesus.
If he's gonna be thankful or not, just by how he reacts to a roast. Oh, I could give him a Turkish coffee. Boom. Let's see.
Bu insanlar ve bunu yaparken de.
But first, this video is all about.
Oh, okay, we don't need to add, bro. Come on.
So I can't wait to have AirPods. 900 actually used your free credit.
Bro,
it's free credit.
How long is this ad, bro? God damn.
Idea what's going on here, but if anybody who's watching this video is TikTok, his name is Ed on the Lot. So he's a car salesman and he's trying to build more business by being live on TikTok. If I could do anything in this world, I would sell cars. Yeah. I mean, I can.
Bro, that's crazy. That's your job now, is being at the dealership and you're just on TikTok live. And the company's like, hell yeah, he's selling. Hell yeah. That's crazy. He has 1,000 viewers too. That's pretty wild.
Yes, I could go do that, but I'm also gonna be entirely honest with you. I have no idea how TikTok live streaming works. I know I have to donate like a rose or a galaxy or something like that. I don't know. But we're gonna start. I'm gonna give him a cello romance for 299 coins. Let's go.
Thank you so much for the violin. First violin ever. Here you go.
It's a cello, buddy. It's a cello.
Yeah, first violin ever. Let's go, baby. So he said he just had his first month of the car sale. So homie's grinding right here. Let's add a little bit more money in the pocket. I think this is gonna be kind of crazy, okay? We're going into it, dropping 100,000 coins. All right, we're starting with...
See, I don't know what that is. $200.
A 20,000 coin donation. Send. Oh boy. Oh.
The brain blast.
What is happening?
Steven, thank you so much for the shuttle, bro. Appreciate you. I've never gotten that before. Oh yeah, we out. Oh yeah, we out.
We double shuttle.
Oh, Steven, thank you so much for the thank you so much for that rocket, bro. For the space shuttle, you freaking go.
That's right, I'm the freaking go. Let's switch it up a little bit and let's give him a speedster.
Wait, Steven,
that's a
I feel like I know you, Steven, but I don't know from where. That's White Trip. Like, yo, Steven's going crazy right now.
Steven's going crazy right now.
Chill, bro. Steven, thank you so much for the gifts. We go. I appreciate you.
All right, let's do it again.
Thank you so much for the love.
All right, sending him a time for family.
All right, this is getting repetitive, bro. He's going to be thankful for it. Like, you know, like, I don't know. Should we just look at Kick real quick?
based off of supporting veterans and active military duty people. That's freaking awesome. Hey, Iron Goddess.
The Packers. Welcome to the family. Steven, you beautiful human. I super duper hearty love. Thank you so much for coming in with that phone.
Yo, she's streaming in her car? Like all the time?
Welcome in, my friend. Welcome in. How are we doing today?
I mean, she called me a beautiful person, so that alone deserves the tip, okay? I'm just gonna say you called me beautiful.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, there we go. She reading it.
You sent me a donation. Did that just say I got a donation? Aw, thank you.
She seemed really surprised about getting donation. Maybe thinking she
Oh, she's just chilling in the car. I mean, I would be surprised if someone was like, here you go. You're just chilling in the car. Like,
doesn't get a lot of donation. This is gonna be absolutely insane when she gets $1,000. That's just my thought here. All right, here we go.
Oopsie.
There we go.
SXSS says,
she's like, nah, I don't even believe that.
1,000.00 USD donation. He said, thank you for supporting everyone.
Uh-oh. It looks like she's waiting in line to pick up her kids from school, too.
Degree says,
Oh.
Vanilla K10 says, wait, what?
That is the face of some.
Yeah, illegal though. Illegal though. She's driving on street. Is that legal? Is that fine? Have they decided on that?
Someone who is mind blown.
Steven.
Her chat is like, did that say 1,000?
Yeah.
Everyone's freaking out for her. That's so.
I wonder how much she gets of that though. I hope it's like most of it. I hope Kick and TikTok and Twitch. I know Twitch doesn't give you most, but I hope they get most of it. Anyway, now that was a good video though. I mean, kind of basic. It's been done before, but it was good.